ginagamit ko siya na pang mix sa... Guys, tingnan nyo yung labas namin, parang binagyo. Opo. Kasi nga, hello! Pilipino yun, oh. Ay, kuya, hi ka muna.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to
today is may gala na naman po tayo. And samahan nyo kami. Today is November. Gamit ko La Roche-Posay. May gala na naman po kami ngayong linggo. Sunday ngayon. November 12, if I'm not mistaken. Ayun din ang gamit ko, same brand. Ito ay Boost na actually. Boost na. Okay, Boost na. Meron kaming brush. Hindi ko alam po. Yun pa rin gamit ko, same brand. Anyway, gamit ko ay ang Get Ready With Me na primer. Tapos ang gagamitin ko na foundation ko is paghaluin ko tong L'Oreal. Sorry, wala na siya. Infallible. Wala na siyang pangalan. Sobrang tagal na niya. And yung Get Ready With Me na foundation. Binili ko yung lahat sa Pilipinas. And so far, so good. I like it. Gagamitin ko yung brush ni Antiux. Actually, nagtitingin ako ng mga local brands ng Pilipinas because they seems promising. Lalo na yung bago ng Asian company. So, may uuwi kasi sa Pilipinas. Get Ready With Me. Bikini Me. Ang dumi ng inyong packaging. Lahat ng Get Ready With Me ko na foundation na ang dumi, nagkakatat siya. Tapos may mga napanood ako na vlogs na ganun din yung problema. So, pakiayos naman po ng packaging nyo. Get Ready With Me. But anyway, yun nga sinasabi ko, may uuwi sa Pilipinas na katrabaho ko. Mapapabili ako nung, itatry ko yung Easy and company na foundation. Kasi ang daming nag-review and it's very good. Gamit ko yung brush. Kasi usually gamit ko sponge. Pero, itatry ko yung brush. Kasi sabi nila mas maganda daw ang finish pagka yung brush mas smooth. Tapos guys, bumili ako ng pang before summer ng foundation ng Guerlain. Ewan ko kung tama yung pronunciation. Guerlain, kaya lang too white siya sa akin. So, ang ginagawa ko guys, too white. Ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko is ginagawa ko siyang concealer. Perfect naman siya. Actually, ang ganun ng product nitong Guerlain. Kasi hindi siya nagpapatchy. So, ginagawa ko siyang concealer, guys. So guys, ito na ang final look sa natural lightning. Iniba ko yung style ng buhok ko kasi usually, di ba, sa side yung hati. Tapos, parang bob cut siya. So today, feel ko mag-straight. Straight lang siya. Yes. Tapos, ito na yung face ko na ginawa. Ewan ko kung nabibigyan ng tarungan ng natural light. Tapos, ang gamit ko is yung candy na pinakita ko dun sa isang vlog ko. Dalawang klaseng candy. Lip tint ito. Yun lang. And OTD. Papa is ready too. So, it's gonna be me and Ronnie only. Kids will stay home. Ito itsura niya kapag sa light. Mas bongga yata dito sa banyo. Pakita natin. Ito na kapag may light. Mas maganda kasi yung ilaw dito sa banyo. Ayan na siya, guys. Yes. Super natural lang siya. Pang everyday look. Ngayon is soon 12:30 kami magkikita ng mga ka-lunch namin. And alis na kami. Ready, Papa?
Ready.
Can we fix the rack first? Let's go! Dito tayo, guys. So, I chose this wool jacket. Kasi may sasakyan naman kami and indoor naman yung lunch. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nagbihas. Pero medyo makapal itong aking top. And then, gamit ko yung aking mukha siyang Prada, diba? Guess lang po siya. And then, just jeans and white sneakers. Wala, guys. Hindi naman masyadong madami. Siguro mga +5 lang, +6. So, guys, tinan nyo yung labas namin. Parang binagyo. Opo. Kasi nga, na. Pa winter na. So, yung puno namin is nagkakalat. Saka na ako magliligpit. Magwawalis kapag wala na talagang dahon. Kasi, tinan mo guys, parang galing sa Baguio yung bahay namin. At saka sa labas actually. Anyway, gantay na si Ronnie. Nandito na kami guys. Of course, segue muna si Kuya sa electronic store. Nagpapabili ako sa kanya ng pop socket. Wala kami makita. Hindi ko mauto, guys. Papa, I thought we're getting this at home. Ayaw niya mag-camera sa bahay. Ginagawa yatang milagro. Ipakita siya. And how about this, Papa? See, it's only $1.99. Is that Magnus gave you and Troy?
No.
Ah, that's not the one. See, this one. 3 pieces. I would like to have it in our room. My God, this is so expensive. 600, but a 2-pack. 300 each. Papa, maybe I need this. What is this? Tube video light. Light. Pang ano siya guys? Pang vlog. Image. I know what I want on Christmas. There. It's only $250. I don't know which one is $250. $390. I like this one. I can put my camera. And also this one. And also phone. Hello! Merry Christmas!
Wait a minute. Why aren't we the only ones not getting any?
It's Father's Day. Hello. Please look at Peter. He's so cute.
His birthday, actually. 22.
Oh, soon.
22.
You booked me something, right? This is for Rafael. Oh, that's so cute.
Tack så mycket.
My birthday. Wow.
Oh, det finns en till Bamses.
Oh my God.
Perfect. You know that they like this.
Titta här.
I did all of this.
Kolla de här.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cute.
I did all of that.
Super.
I wrote all of that.
Look at, he got the super dad as well.
So we're seeing these dads don't have socks. We want you to take care of your feet.
What did you get from Angel and Eric? Oh, that's... Oh, what kind of tea? Maybe we can use it at home.
Det kommer bli mycket kallare. Mycket kallare. Mycket kallare. Det var vi
I got it!
hos oss.
Ang cute! Alam naman niya yung kalat.
Ja, mycket kallare. Vad det?
Det är för pappa!
Jag tror det är precis din pappa.
Det är din pappa!
Thanks so much.
Happy Father's Day!
Yeah, thank you for doing your guys' thing.
You're welcome.
And everyone is
Dansa, Rafael! Dansa! Sige! Allah! Dansa! Dansa! Allah! Sige! Ay, mama! May sarili siyang mundo, day. Ayan po ang birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, Rafael! You wanna dance with Rafael? Not yet? Later?
Wait.
Be, bili ka ng ticket niya para mag-ride siya. Ah, sige. Broom, 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 Rafael. Broom, 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 broom. So. Broom, broom yan, Rafael. Wing. Kuya, bayord. Yeah, go to Rafael. Guys, ang laki nung ng Pac-Man. Ito yung controller. Oh, so maglaro. In fairness, malaki tong nila, game zone. Tapos dyan ka magbabayad. Kaya lang ayoko magbayad. Pwede mag-inom, mag-drive. Ang daming pwedeng gawin actually. It's nice in here. Tapos na, we're done. Pauwi na kami and it's raining. How is it, Papa? Did you enjoy it?
I liked it.
You didn't do anything. We were just watching. How's my basketball, by the way?
Not it too.
I suck. I got stressed. I don't see my points. But anyway, it was fun, right?
It was fun.
But since, of course, it's not worth it for me yung buffet kasi nga hindi nga ako kumain ng madami. But for me, it's a lot. What I ate today, it was a lot. But still not that big portion. And yeah. Pauwi na kami and I'm gonna take a nap and I get home. I don't know this one because I think he's gonna play. But I will take a nap. Definitely. Yun lang guys, and I'm gonna say goodbye dito na at wala na akong gagawin pag uwi ko. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye! Kita niyo yan. Remember guys. Shopping naman muna kami. Nandito naman ako guys sa Mall of Scandinavia. By the way, that's me. Bakit nakulat ko kasi malamig. Ito na po tayo dahil